trying. It's a funny angle.
Come on, hurry up.
I'm trying.
Finally.
Fucking hell.
Shh. You idiot!
I thought you said this place was empty.
Yeah, that doesn't mean the neighbours can't hear you.
So what exactly are we looking for?
The guy who used to serve at the bar, his wife disappeared.
Disappeared?
Well, died. They never found her or something. Anyway, he inherited a load of her jewellery. Vintage stuff. Worth a small fortune, he said. It'll be in here somewhere.
Wait, so she dies, and he's dead?
Dead? Nah, he's gone AWOL, but nobody's seen him for weeks.
Well, he'll pawned it and done a run of them, won't he?
No, it's here.
Dead woman's jewellery, jeez.
Sorry, have you got morals now?
Just you've come a long way from pulling pints.
Always nice when you find your true calling. I'm gonna go check upstairs. You keep looking down here.
Fuck's sake. Fucking pointless. I'm missing the match for this.
James? What the fuck was that?